はい、皆さんこんにちは。漢字の勉強頑張っていますか？今日は230から233までの4つの漢字を勉強します。Today's level is JLPT N4. Today's theme is the kanji has the same part. 1 and 2 has the same part and 3 and 4 has the same part.When you remembering the kanji, when you group in the kanji with the same kanji family, sometimes it helps. Are you ready? それでは始めましょう。This is how we learn kanji in this video. Our goal is to be able to read new kanjis. If you are interested in writing it, at the end of the video, you have stroke orders as well.The meaning is bow, on is Q, kun is Yumi. The meaning pull, draw, on is in, kun is hiku. The radical is Yumi. The meaning every.On is mai. There's no kun for this kanji. Radical is that symbol. It's called nakare. The meaning sea, ocean. On is kai. Kun is umi. Radical is sanzui. Do you remember? Sanzui means water.Bow, kun leading, yumi, yumi. Aloe is called ya, ya. Example, 弓のような三日月。三日月 is a crescent moon. Like のような a bow, 弓。弓のような三日月。Grammar point.N1 のような N2. N stands for a noun. A crescent moon like a bow. 弓のような三日月. Pay attention to the word order. Compare English and Japanese. They are switched. Example, うさぎのような目. Next, archery. 弓道. 弓道. That's the picture of 弓道. Example, 高校の時、弓道部でした。When I was in high school, 高校の時、I was in the archery club. 弓道部でした。Club, we use 部。弓道部でした。高校の時、弓道部でした。Grammar point.Noun の時 to express when I was middle school, high school, university, or how many years old. Example, 中学校の時 high school, 高校の時 university, college, 大学の時 or let's say 25 years old. 25歳の時 Next, draw 引く引く。ノートに線を引く。draw a line 線を引く。on the notebook ノートに線を引く。Next, drawer 引き出し。Example, 引き出しの中がごちゃごちゃです。The inside of the drawer 引き出しの中がごちゃごちゃです。A mess. A mess is ごちゃごちゃ。引き出しの中がごちゃごちゃです。Next, attracting force. 引力。Look at the each kanji meaning that makes sense. Pull and power. 引力。Example, 月の引力で海水が引っ張られる。Seawater, 海水 is pulled out, 引っ張られる。By the attracting force of the moon, 月の引力で。月の引力で海水が引っ張られる。引っ張られる is a passive form of 引っ張る。The verb move 引っ越す。引っ越す。Example 2年後に引っ越すと思う。2年後に引っ越すと思う。I think that と思う I will move 引っ越す after 2 years 2年後に2年後に引っ越すと思う。引っ越す is a group 1 verb or you can say u verb. Let's practice the present, future, and past, positive and negative, polite form and plain form. Repeat after me. 引っ越します。引っ越す。引っ越しません。引っ越さない。引っ越しました。引っ越した。引っ越しませんでした。引っ越さなかった。It's really hard to say, isn't it? Grammar point. Plain form と思う。と思う。English translation. I think that You can use expression to say your judgment, opinion, or you're guessing something based on your feelings. I am showing the verb plain forms today, but plain form means you can use it for the non-adjective sentence, e-adjective sentence, and noun sentence as well. 雨が降ると思う。雨が降らないと思う。雨が降ったと思う。雨が降らなかったと思う。Let's remember as a group of time expression. Every year, 毎年。Every month, 毎月。Every week, 毎週。Every day, 毎日。Every morning, 毎朝。Every evening, 毎晩。毎年、毎月、毎週、毎日、毎朝、毎晩。Next, overseas, foreign countries, abroad. 海外、海外。Look at the each kanji meaning. 海、sea, 外、outside, outside of the sea, overseas. Example, 毎年クリスマスは海外で過ごす。Every year, 毎年 we spend 過ごす。Christmas クリスマスは abroad 海外で。毎年クリスマスは海外で過ごす。Last one, beach, coast, 海岸。This one is 海岸、海岸。Example, 海岸で綺麗な貝殻を見つけた。I found 見つけた some beautiful shells 綺麗な貝殻 at the beach 海岸で綺麗な貝殻を見つけた。Step 3 Flashcards. Try to remember the meaning of the word and pronunciation. I will say the word, repeat after me. Bow 弓 Archery 弓道 Draw pull 引く Drawers 引き出し Move 引っ越す Every morning 毎朝 Every night 毎晩 Every day 毎日 Every week 毎週 Every month 毎月 Every year 毎年 Sea, ocean 海 Overseas 海外 Beach, coast 海岸 JLPT quiz. You have 3 questions. For each question, you have 10 seconds to answer. Choose the right answer from the choices. That's it for today. Please subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss any video in the future. I will see you in the next video. また次のビデオで会いましょう。さようなら。